Nothing in the story up to this point prepares us for this moment when Jesus and a scribe agree. Rather than getting caught up in the mob mentality, hooked by emotions, or looking for a wedge issue in which to trap Jesus, this scribe, whose name is known to God alone, asked the most important question. The question whose answer draws people together in relationships of mutuality, dignity, and peace. And Jesus, in answering, draws upon what he has in common with the scribe as a fellow Jew, namely, the central call in Scripture to love God and neighbor. It seems like a simple thing when you think about it. The scribe approaches Jesus as a teacher rather than as an adversary or as a threat or a demon-possessed person or as impure or immoral or heretical. And Jesus doesn't discount the scribe as just another one of those people who are out to get him. From the text, it doesn't appear that Jesus is defensive or assumes the worst. Rather, I imagine that the quality of Jesus' presence was what made the encounter possible. We don't know, of course, whether the scribe and Jesus agreed on every interpretation or application of Jewish law, but what we are given in this story is a moment when affiliation, stereotypes, and distrust don't keep two human beings from having a real conversation. It's a moment when the commitment Jesus and the scribe share to love God and love neighbor is modeled in the way they engage. They meet as neighbors, focusing on things that matter most and drawing upon what they share in common.